I'm Jan Lorenz, Professor of Social Data Science at Constructor University in Bremen. And in this project I'm mainly a modeler, doing the agent-based model about how preference formation is running among citizens before they are going to the elections. So Constructor University is a smaller private university in Bremen, which is quite uncommon in Germany. So we have a large amount of international students, almost no German students or students from Europe. So we are really international in that sense. And yeah, we are running innovative programs, for example, a master program on data science for society and business. Yeah, this project was really to my heart because it is in this framework of computational social science for democracy. And computational social science is something which I'm doing for a long time, modeling in the modeling side, modeling how agents or humans interact. So that is that, and the democracy is basically the somehow a topic which I'm mostly interested in. So I'm all interested in subtle processes which can undermine or foster democracy. So that's really what I like to think most about. With filter bubbles, I did a model where it's called computational model, where agents were exchanging statements among each other, and through this process of exchanging statements which constitute their worldview, the worldview of people changes, and all of a sudden kind of bubbles emerge. And a bubble is something like we have a lot of people who have more or less the same worldview, but they don't share any statements with other people in another bubble. And the question how these kind of different worldviews emerge, so that is behind the agent-based model, which can produce filter bubbles. And yeah, I will try to bring this perspective into the main project here. Okay, so yeah, the interesting aspect first for me as a scientist is really to bring all these perspectives together. So we are working on trying to create a population which is really like the full population of a Danish city. Then we are bringing in our assumptions about how people behave from our models, very stylized ones, but we can now test them in this real environment. And we also want to use our models and validate what's happening. And when we achieve this, we may make very first steps towards something like scenario studies. So what changes in the political systems could we do to improve the situation, or also what could go wrong there? So, but that's really ambitious. So I think we'll make some small steps toward this. But yeah, so that's bringing all these perspectives together and really try to make some kind of realistic simulation. So that's what this project is about for me. Thanks.